Future simple tense. Planning land conservation activities. Land conservation is a critical aspect of protecting the environment and ensuring the sustainability of our planet for future generations. In order to effectively plan and carry out land conservation activities, it is important to understand how to use the future simple tense in English. The future simple tense is used to talk about future actions that are not planned or scheduled, and can also be used to make predictions based on current evidence or knowledge. One common use of the future simple tense in land conservation is in setting goals and objectives for conservation projects. For example, we will plant 1,000 trees next year to restore the forest ecosystem. Shows a specific action that will be taken in the future to achieve a conservation goal. Similarly, the conservation group will work with local farmers to implement sustainable agriculture practices. Highlights of future collaboration and effort to support land conservation efforts. Another important use of the future simple tense in land conservation is in making predictions about the impact of conservation activities. For instance, if we protect this wetland area, we will see an increase in migratory bird populations in the coming years. Suggests a potential positive outcome of a conservation initiative. Similarly, if we do not take action to conserve this habitat, we will continue to see a decline in biodiversity. Predicts a negative consequence if no conservation efforts are made. Additionally, the future simple tense can be used to discuss long-term conservation plans and strategies. For example, over the next decade, the conservation organization will establish a network of protected areas to connect fragmented habitats. Outlines a long-term vision for conservation efforts. Similarly, by 2030, we will have restored degraded land and improved water quality in the watershed. Sets a clear timeline for achieving conservation objectives. In conclusion, the future simple tense is a valuable tool for planning and discussing land conservation activities. By using this tense effectively, conservation practitioners can communicate their goals, make predictions about the impact of their actions, and set long-term strategies for protecting the environment. By understanding and using the future simple tense, ESL students can better engage in discussions and planning related to land conservation and environmental stewardship.